we tossed the 100 into a Magic Pearl here at Suquamish Clearwater. Penny denomination, only betting $1.50 all the way down to $12. No real expectations of getting all the way back to our 100, but we'll get something back at least. A mini for 10 or a minor for 50, that would help. Or anything. Okay, all right, $3. Delightful. I see all the minis flying by here. Okay, all right. Okay, excellent. 3 boxes left. Let's see if we can salvage something of this 100 here. Okay, excellent. All right, 1 box left. Always very exciting when you get down to the last box. Not this time. Well, we got a little something back to 40. Hopefully something else will shake loose. 3 dolphins. Oh, just went by. 3 dolphins, 6 of the pearls. And you're happy. Come on, Magic Pearl. Okay, we kept going, and I'm really glad we did. Up the bet to $2.50. We got a mini for $10, but hello. And that's all wonderful. Excellent. We are gonna salvage this 100 in the nick of time. We had $3 left. How terrific is this? Would be even more terrific if we landed something else. Come on, Magic Pearl. Okay, excellent. In the nick of time. I think the multiplier on the pearls and the bonus can go from 1 up to 100x. So betting $2.50, a $25 pearl would be 10x. But I think they would go all the way up to $2.50 in theory. That'd be okay. A $250 pearl. I wouldn't mind. A $250 pearl, you should see the oyster. But seriously, you're a great crowd. Oh my gosh, that's $50. That's $50. Well, we have definitely saved this 100. Oh, wow, goodness. Okay, 2 boxes left to fill with pearls. Potentially, maybe, hypothetically. Well, goodness gracious, did that turn around? Never give up on your $100 bill. Wow. And for all of my classical music fans, that of course is the Radetzky March by Johann Strauss. Is it the first or the second? Strauss, I mean. It's either Johann Strauss Sr. or Jr. I'll look it up. 161. We'll do 3 backup spins. 1. Again, 6 of the pearls, 3 of the dolphins. 2. Talk about saving that 100 at the last second. And 3. Cashing out 156. Thanks, Magic Pearl. Even before we get to the room, I can see a nice water view at the end of the hallway here. Let's take a look. Wow, look at this. A little bit different than the Las Vegas Strip, isn't it? Nice. nice double queen room with a view here on the 5th floor. Want to show you the view straight away. There's the breakfast, lunch, cafe, courtyard area, and then hello Pacific Northwest. Trees and water and birds and hashtag nature. Queen bed, mini fridge, coffee, nice big TV. Well, you could fit 3 in that shower. If only I knew 2 other people.